Now, we have a tradition in applied physics to ask a graduate student, since we're a graduate-only department, to ask a graduate student to say a few words about a degree in applied physics. This year, our speaker is Marina Radulaski. Marina did her undergraduate work in Serbia at Belgrade University and Union University of Serbia. She then followed that by doing research at a number of places on the international scene, from Berkeley to Oxford to Austria. And so again, the international flavor of science today shows up. When she came to Stanford, she joined a group led by Jelena Vukovic, professor of electrical engineering, and worked on problems involving quantum aspects of light with Professor Vukovic. So let me invite Marina to come up and say a few words.
Thank you for the introduction, Professor Bayer. It is a great honor to speak in front of applied physics graduate class. This is also my first commencement. We don't have them in Serbia. A friend asked me last week, what is commencement? I said, it's a celebratory event. There will be music and food. I will wear a special gown and be promoted into a new title. And she said, Mrs.? I said better, PhD. A particle can simultaneously take multiple paths from start to finish. This has been a model of our collective graduate experience. Stanford has provided us with so many different opportunities to create our own path. What did we learn along? We learned that radical collaboration and empathy for others are not just modern buzzwords. That made us dig deep into the problem, look at it from multiple angles, ask for help, and set our efforts to solving a meaningful issue. Stanford is this unique place that hires people with an impressive expertise in one field, and then they go and do something completely different. For example, we have a physics Nobel laureate who is the lead innovator in the School of Education. We also have an accomplished particle physicist who is the dean of the entire School of Engineering. There is an underlying theme here. Physicists go everywhere. On the other hand, many of us have experienced the so-called Stanford bubble effect. Our colleagues are so talented and hardworking that pushes us to get to the next big result. As a side effect, we sometimes miss to appreciate what we have already accomplished. I gained some perspective by attending a design event at our neighboring bubble, the startup bubble. Someone put me on the spot by asking, what do you design? I was taken aback. I didn't think I've ever designed a thing. But then it came to me. I have. I designed nanolasers. To my surprise, the crowd thought it was the most interesting thing, and I got back to the lab with a new appreciation for my research. Today, we become masters and doctors of understanding a tiny but novel part of the universe. We also become everyone's go-to person for explaining CERN and LIGO news, as we've seen by Professor Bayer. We thank our parents, partners, friends, and siblings for sticking around for this long ride and saying things like, don't worry that your experiment doesn't work, it will work eventually. But tell me, when are you coming to visit me? We're grateful to our professors and staff for sharing their expertise and guiding us along this path of research, and also for saying, you're ready to graduate. Finally, we literally wouldn't have been here today if Paula hadn't sent us 7 reminders. And for that we say, thank you, Paula! Armed with skills and confidence, we're stepping outside of the Stanford bubble to make an impact. Whether we choose to be educators, or innovators, or the Secretary of Energy. We should walk with confidence because physicists go everywhere. Looking at our medieval gowns today, I can pronounce that the age of the love pajamas is finally over. Congratulations, Applied Physics and Physics class of 2016. We did it!